Hello, welcome back. So in this lesson we are going to be covering the linear and circular sketch patterns. To start, let's just start a sketch on the front plane and let's draw a circle somewhere here. And now what we want to do is make a linear pattern of this circle. So to make that linear pattern, you'll press the linear sketch pattern and you want to press now it's selecting it to align the pattern along the x-axis, and this is the instances. We can select 3, and down here we can select the entities to pattern. So we click this and select that circle. So now as you can see, we have, let's do 5. We have 5 circles, and now we want to add the dimensions. So let's put 5. 5 is too much. Let's do 1 and 2, something that spaces it out. So now we have 2, and now you can see we have 5 circle patterns spaced 2 inches away from each other. And now we can also do another direction along the y-axis, and let's select how many instances we want to. We would say 2, 3. Let's do 3, and the dimension, let's also do 2. So now as you can see, we have the circle aligned along the x-axis 2 inches apart, 5 circles, and along the y-axis 2 inches apart, 3 circles. So now another thing we can do is instances to skip. So let's say you don't want all the circles, you want to skip some of it. You press your instance to skip, and you can select the circles you want to delete. And let's say that's what I want to delete, and I press OK. And now I have all my circles. So that is how you do a linear sketch pattern. Let's delete our sketch and let's draw another circle. And this time we want to do a circular sketch pattern. So we click on the circular sketch pattern. Because our sketch was already selected, it selected it for us. Let's just exit out of it. Make sure nothing is not selected. Now let's click on the circular sketch pattern. View entities to pattern. We want to select this sketch. And now as you can see, our sketch is going 360 degrees along that line. This is the radius. You can change the radius here. Let's try something 6. And now that's the diameter of that circular pattern the circles is going along. So this has also some other coordinates you can change. And another thing you can do is equal spacing. You'll be using that a lot, and you can tell it how many instances you want to your circular pattern. So let's do 16, and we can also do instances to skip. So we can skip that, we can skip that, we can skip that, and press OK. And there you go, you have your circular patterns. Anyway, thank you, and I will see you in the next lecture. Bye.